Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating Chez Scheme library, egtan/txtar, a port of Go's txtar package. It's all about creating and manipulating simple text archives, really handy for test data and stuff.
Sounds interesting. So what makes this txtar format so special? Why not just use zip or tar?
That's a great question. The key is its simplicity. It's basically concatenated files with an optional top-level comment. Think of it as a super lightweight, human-readable archive format. No complex compression algorithms, just plain text. Perfect for situations where you need something easily inspectable and manageable, especially for tests.
I see. So how does one actually use this Chez Scheme library? Is it complicated?
Not at all. Installation is straightforward. A simple make install, then you adjust your CHEZSCHEMELIBDIRS environment variable. It relies on SRFI13 strings for basic functionality and SRFI64 testing for running the tests. You can grab those SRFIs using ThunderChez, another cool tool.
ThunderChez, huh? Sounds like a powerful dependency manager for Chez Scheme. So once it's installed, how do you actually create and work with these archives?
The library provides functions like txtar read files to create an archive from a list of file names, make txtar file to create individual file entries within the archive, and txtar write to write the archive to a file. There's also txtar file-ref to retrieve specific files from an existing archive. The documentation is pretty clear, and the code itself is well commented, so it's easy to understand how everything works.
That's excellent. The example with creating a math txtar archive from math.h and math.c is particularly illustrative. It shows how easily you can embed header and source files together. But I'm a little concerned about the license. It's the AGPL, right? That's quite restrictive compared to something like MIT.
You're right to point that out. The AGPL is indeed a more restrictive license than MIT. It's important for users to understand the implications of using this library in their projects. The AGPL requires that modifications and derived works be licensed under the same terms, which can have significant implications for proprietary software. It's something to carefully consider before integrating txtar into a project.
Absolutely. Transparency about licensing is crucial. So to summarize, egtan/txtar provides a simple, human-readable text archive format, easily integrated into Chez Scheme projects, but users should be mindful of the AGPL license. It's a powerful tool for specific use cases, especially testing, but the license needs careful consideration.
Precisely. A lightweight, efficient solution for managing text-based data within a Chez Scheme environment. Remember to check out the GitHub repository for the full details and examples. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and goodbye.
Bye-bye.